Hi and welcome to yet another exciting section of the course. It would be really great if you have gone through the other sections of the course, but it's also good if you have just decided to take this section only, because you may be interested on financial analysis with Python and interactive visualizations on the web. So that's perfectly fine. And yeah, to keep this short, what you're going to learn in this section is you're going to learn how to get stock market data via Python, so without having to browse and download files from websites. You're going to get this data in pandas data frames, so in tables inside Python, and then they are ready to analyze. And yeah, we're talking about the recent data, almost real time. That's one thing, and then once we get this data, we'll analyze them using Python, pandas, and we'll be working on the Jupyter notebook. Then we'll use the bokeh library to visualize these data. And with that, you should come up with this chart, which you see in here. So it's a candlestick chart which is used for visualizing stock market data. And yeah, this can be a bit complicated to build. So you're going to learn a lot by creating this graph from scratch. And once we create that graph, then we're going to embed that graph in a website, as you see in here. So this is the end product of this section. And this is pure Python, so we're not going to use any JavaScript for this chart. So this is interactive, and yeah. And you can even zoom into certain areas if you like. And yeah, this is great, I believe. So I hope you really enjoyed this section, and yeah, let's move on.